Shifting focus now, it's been 7 years ago when a crime occurred that seemed to be straight out of a murder mystery novel. A mother accused of murdering her daughter and the finger pointed to her stepson and her husband, and then accused of backing her as well. And yes, I'm talking about the Sheena Bora murder case. The main accused in this case, Indrani Mukerjea, yesterday walked out of the jail on bail after 6.5 long years. And the former media mogul also walked out of the Byculla prison after the Supreme Court granted her a bail only on one condition, that as an under trial, she had the right to not be in jail for this long. It also noted that the trial was in deep freeze until a few days ago. But remember, she's out on bail. She still has to face trial on murder charges. She walked out of the prison all smiles.
आप अभी काफी खुश हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगी? अभी घर पे जा रही हैं, किस तरफ जा रही हैं?
घर जा रही हूँ अभी। घर जा रही हूँ अभी।
और क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
फिलहाल तो कुछ नहीं।
आगे का क्या प्लान है?
अभी कुछ प्लान अभी कुछ नहीं है। अभी फिलहाल अभी जाके अपना घर जाना है बस।
मैम, बहुत लंबा वक्त रहा, आगे की शुरुआत कैसी होगी? आप बुक भी लिख रही थी इस पर।
अभी मैं कुछ प्लान नहीं कर रही हूँ, अभी आगे जाके पहले घर तो पहुँचूं, फिर उसके बाद देखती हूँ।
Indrani, really all the best to you for this.
Thank you.
But I wanted to ask you was, do you blame anyone for this particular incident?
It's all, it's all forgotten.
6.5 years of yours lost.
Empathy and forgiveness. I've forgiven all the people who have hurt me, that's all.
Is there anything you learned in the jail, prison?
Lots.
Lots.
Next interview.
All right, my colleague Radhika now joins us live on this broadcast. So it has been 6.5 years in prison, after which we saw as to how Indrani Mukerjea was all smiles while walking out of the prison. But she has at this stage not spoken much about the case. Take us through what the Supreme Court stated while giving her the bail.
That's right. Indrani hasn't spoken much about the case. She categorically said that she won't speak about the case, and it will only be in court that she will mention about the case. Of course, she did say that she's happy, she's relieved, and that she wants to start afresh, and so on and so forth. As far as the Supreme Court order is concerned, of course, it is not based on merits that she was granted bail. It is based on the fact that she was behind bars for 6.5 years, and the trial hasn't progressed as much. 68 witnesses examined so far, more than 150 yet to be examined. There are a total of 230 odd witnesses in the case. Many main witnesses, including Rahul Mukherjea, is yet to be examined. Of course, the last 2 years saw huge pendency in the sense that the entire trial was halted in the last 2 years because of COVID-1 and because of judges' transfer. Of course, a new judge has been appointed, and he has called in Rahul Mukherjea for cross-examination, which will happen next week. So yes, that's the reason why she's been granted bail, despite the fact that this is a grievous crime, and something that shook the entire nation in 2015. Of course, she did not speak about the case. She did not go into the intricacies of the case at all. All she said was she forgives whoever hurt her, and that she wants to begin afresh, and she will finish her book and so on. So at this point, of course, remains to be seen how the trial will progress as far as Sheena Bora murder case is concerned.
Which has certainly proceeded at a snail's pace, and certainly we might hear more from Indrani Mukerjea as well moving forward. Thank you, Radhika, for that. Slipping into a short break, we'll be back with the latest.